Hello, I'm Dr. Serden. Welcome to the SSL Serden Science Lab for the first experiment, Volcano Eruption 101. Today we will show you how to make a volcano eruption. For this experiment, we will need baking soda, white vinegar. In fact, it could be any sort of acid or vinegar. And a volcano. We tried first by pouring the baking soda in the volcano body, but that was not successful. But the volcano was too wide because the volcano was too wide. Then we found another solution. Yay! We decided to put the baking soda directly in the volcano to make the reaction stronger. Now you will see how it works. Check this out, smarty